Want to know the secret to building wealth? The answer is pretty simple. Invest in assets that generate income. Yes, the whole idea is to put your money to work for you, so it can earn you more money. This is really important, because there is only so much time you can exchange for income as your time is limited. Hello future billionaires and aspiring entrepreneurs, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe and drop a like down below. So it makes total sense to invest in assets that produce income. It's no secret that one of the core principles of investing is diversification. Diversification works because it protects your income. If one investment fails, a few others may perform well. Given the fact that economies can be unpredictable, it is now more important than ever to have multiple income streams. Income-producing assets are a great way to do this. Do check out my top recommendation to make extra money. Number 1. Online business. One of the most popular and profitable ways to invest is to start your own business online. Many forms of online business require a lot of work up front. However, the income potential is unlimited. Online businesses include blogs, e-commerce stores on places such as Shopify or BigCommerce, or even selling on eBay and Amazon, or even a YouTube channel. If you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, I have provided a link in the description for a free YouTube masterclass. Number 2. Stocks. Stocks are an amazing income-producing asset. They can be a steady source of income that can help you reach your retirement goals. In particular, dividend stocks can provide a predictable income source. They require virtually no work and can help you establish a good revenue stream. Many large established companies typically issue dividend stocks. These dividend-paying companies are across many industries including healthcare, technology, finance, etc. Number 3. Rental units. Interested in a high-risk, high-reward source of income? Look no further than rental units. These can include single-family homes, multi-family units, or even apartment complexes. In good times, this can be a constant flow of cash. However, you'll need to be careful during bad economies or times of increased job losses. Number 4. Recession-proof brick-and-mortar businesses. Business, similar to life, usually works in seasons. Many businesses have peak seasons and slow seasons where they focus much of their time preparing for the next uptick in business. However, not all businesses are like this. Some businesses are recession-proof. Despite what is happening in the economy, these businesses will have consistent, if not increasing demand. These businesses include those in the healthcare space such as nursing homes or agencies, laundromats, auto repair, and grocery stores. Regardless of the economy, people always need access to health and food. Number 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you're keen on investing in real estate but you're reluctant to part with the upfront down payment costs, consider investing in real estate investment trust aka REITs. REITs work exactly like mutual funds. They allow you to buy into a cluster of properties managed by one company. The management company uses money put in by investors to buy new real estate. At regular intervals, investors can expect their payout in the form of dividends. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. A relatively new income-producing asset is peer-to-peer lending. With peer-to-peer lending, you and other lenders serve as a bank to someone looking to borrow money. Similar to a bank loan, the borrower pays back the principal with interest. Number 7. Certificates of deposit. It's always a good idea to invest in a mix of high and low-risk assets. One great low-risk asset to consider investing in is a certificate of deposit. Banks offer certificates of deposit as a way for investors to earn easy, low-risk money. Number 8. Bonds. Bonds are an incredible income-generating asset. A bond is simply an IOU. It allows you to lend money to companies, state and federal governments, or municipalities. Bonds are very similar to CDs. They give investors much needed stability in the face of uncertainty. Additionally, the return on a bond is guaranteed, making it predictable income for investor. Number 9. Savings account. One of the first assets anyone regardless of age should get is a savings account. Despite low interest rates offered on a savings account, you can still earn a decent income from this asset. Additionally, a savings account will protect you from stock market fluctuations and other higher risk investments such as real estate investing. Savings account interest rates can be as low as 1%. If you're looking for higher interest rates, look into online savings account options. Number 10. Self-storage units. Of late, there's been a huge growth in self-storage units nationwide. There are up to 60,000 facilities and counting nationwide. Self-storage is an attractive investment vehicle for real estate investors. It involves very little construction costs and low upkeep expenses. In fact, many self-storage units require little to no staff. People renting units can access their units using a special PIN or key to enter the facility. Self-storage units do not involve much emotional attachment and lease periods are month to month. This allows investors to enjoy any rent increases made with each new lease. If you have liked the video, do subscribe and hit the like button, and also check out my top recommendations to make money online down in the description down below. Thank you, your business mentor, signing off.